Yes, welcome in this video. So today I'm gonna show you HTTP custom VPS settings. We're gonna set it using our recently created VPS server. So if you don't know how to create that server, please check the link in the description and watch how to create a VPS server, and then you come back, watch this video on how to set it in HTTP custom, how to configure that server in HTTP custom. So before we dive in, make sure to install HTTP custom and make sure it is updated to its latest version. Then you open the app and let me hope you have just watched the previous video on how to create a VPS server. So now you are here to watch on how to set your own VPS server into this HTTP custom. So this is how you're gonna do it. Please first subscribe on this channel before we go ahead. Let me teach you something very small. So here you're gonna tick right here, you're gonna tick only this, like that. So the next thing is we need the IP, the username and the password. So it means we will first put the username, and then we will first put the IP address, then it will be followed by username, and lastly it will be the password. So you go on your recently created VPS server, then you copy as illustrated on the screen. So you bring the IP first, username, then lastly the password. After you setting everything correctly like this, I think you will be ready to go. As you can see, username, IP, then the username, lastly password, then you tap on the connect button. So that is it for today's video. Please make sure to subscribe on this channel, comment. Shalom.